Attention all Hatton County officials, please stand by as we begin daily testing of the Hatton County Civil Defense System beginning at 4 o'clock. No acknowledgement should be necessary. Again, only signs will be tested. Attention! This is a test of the Hatton County Civil Defense System. This is only a test. No action is required. If this were an actual emergency, you would tune into local media for further instructions. Attention. This is an all clear. I repeat, this is an all clear. You may now resume to normal programming. Attention. This concludes the test of the Hatton County Civil Defense System. This was only a test.